Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video, I am starting a new game. This is Vlogger Go Viral, and well, you have seen this game a lot. Whenever you open your Play Store or your App Store, you are definitely going to see this game. And whether you are thinking to actually install it or if you are making decision, I have this video to explain what this game is about. So after playing this game for around 4 5 days, I know how this game works, and I think I would be correct in reviewing this game. So this game is not fresh for me now. I have played this game couple of times. So in this video I'm going to do a gameplay, plus I'm going to review this game, and in this video you are gonna see whether you have to install this video, oh I'm sorry, install this game, or you just have to watch my videos. Well, I would say don't install this game. I have installed this game. You just have to do is you would all play this game. Okay, I'm nervous. So this is the game's voice. It's spectacular. Okay, so let's start with Vlogger Go Viral. So this game, on the top you can see on the corner, if you click on that button you are going to see the profile. So this game is all about playing like a YouTuber. Well, let me just tell you, YouTuber is okay, so YouTube career is a difficult one. It takes a lot of time and patience and hard work to actually be at a point where all the big YouTubers with millions of subscribers are. That's what I am doing. So this game makes it look easy, and this game is, you can say, you can pass your time very easily. So let's start with this game. So currently I have around 875,000 subscriber. So if we click this, you are going to see, first I started with 1000 subscriber, then I went to 100,000, then 400,000, now 700,000, and I am almost at the million mark. So it doesn't take a lot of time in getting subscribers. So over the next you are going to see 2.8 million. So the 2.8 million is actually the views, and not only views, it also works as a coin for buying and purchasing things in this game. So I got, okay, so I didn't play this game for that time, so I got that. So if we click on that, it is going to show you the amount you have. Then you have diamonds, and you have daily reward, league, achievement, shop, tokens, and everything. So let's move on to the down thing. So in the bottom, if we click this, you are going to see channel marketing. So how this game works is, you have to purchase these things with the coins that you have, and you can see tell mom's friend, social page, and QR filter, t-shirt marketing, and cross production promotion. So what is this? So if you buy this, you can see into 47. So I have actually upgraded it 47 times. So you can see it says increase your views per second on the top. It is currently on 480 views per second. That means 480 coins per second. So if I buy one of these, my views actually get cut off by the number I buy, and it adds one, and you can see it goes to 481. And so if I quit this, it says get one higher PR person, and you are going to get a daily reward of 119,000. So yes, I was waiting for making a video, and I thought that in this video I am going to buy that thing. So let's go. So here you can go down and it says PR person for 630,000 coins, and I bought it. Now it needs upgrade. Every time you click on that you get 29 views per second. So I'm currently on 500. So that actually increases over time. And the main thing, I currently have total 18 videos. So yes, this is not that realistic because it is not possible to have just 18 videos and so many subscribers. Well, it is possible for a old guy who has started or who has put a hand in a new thing, like in gaming. From vlogging he is went going to gaming, he has millions of subscribers. That is possible for him, but not for a newcomer, and I am a newcomer on this game. So on the side you get these phone and you have to choose one. Okay, so I got double the values of your taps for 2 minutes. So what the tap do is, when you tap this, so it actually cuts off the time how many times you press. Every click is 1 second, and I have got double, means that I'm getting 2 second mark. And you are going to see coffee. When you drink this coffee, it gives you a couple of boosts for some seconds, I guess 15 or 5 second. And yes, my video is finished. I think this is the 18th video right now, and this is how it shows the statistic. Yeah, it happens, but you are now more experienced. You get view coins, you get subscribers, and you get viral points. And congratulations, I am on 1 million subscribers. We'll do it later. So now I am on 1 million mark. Wow, I'm dreaming it for my real life also. So as you can see, I am on 1 million subscriber, and this game goes till 50 million subscribers. So yes, I am going to play this game till I am on 50 million subscribers. And well, you go on comments and it says the red ones you have to press this red button, and the green ones you have to press the green one. You get coins for these. It actually, these comments actually repeat many times, so there is no need to read them, I would say. Yeah, and this fly also gives you some coins. I again got a call. No, not now. So in this hanger thing you can go and change your outfit. Currently I only have a single outfit, and you can change the hats. You can go with no hat, you can wear this. I have 2 or 3, I guess, so I'll go with none. You can change your outfit so that you can personalize yourself. Over here, if we click this, we go to comments, which actually gets filled up really quick. And in this orange button you have the studio stuff. So in the notebook, that means the laptop, it is on level 54, and when a video completes it gives me 20 more view coins. And then poster, and this obnoxious fruit, I guess, and then webcam. So you can upgrade these also. Lighten also increase. So currently I would, okay, so I'll do the clipboard with $1 million. No, it's not dollar actually. Okay, so you can increase the chrome key. That's the background, I guess. It gets bigger, I guess. Yes. So and you press the start button, so actually you get topics, and there is background also. So let me just show you. So if I click this arrow right over here, So I can just go outside my house, and you can change the outfit of outside also by buying these stuff. So I'll do change. A lot of colors are there, so I'll go with green. Yes, and you can upgrade those. Berries also have different color, so let's go with yellow berries. Strawberry, they are not strawberry anymore. You can change the color of the guitar also, so I'll take it as yellow. Then these are the torches that you can change the color of. Blue is nice, and you can go with the basket ring, it's red. And the things you buy, you get more out of it. The comment section gets 20, so you can maximum get 20 of these. And at the end you get coins when you are completed with doing this blue dash. And you can start video. So this time the topic would be tech. So whenever you click, the time actually goes more faster. You have understood that, right? And let me just show you one more thing. So in the down you can say it's hurry production. So when you press that, you get an option for vlogging crew. So it completes your 59-minute, or you can say 1 hour video in just couple of seconds, I guess in 1 minute max to the max. So you can go with the online one also. And here we have boxes. So the more you play this game, the more you upgrade yourself in this game, you get more progress. And you can say, if you are bored of playing games like other ones, I won't take the names. So if you are bored and you want to try something different, I would say that I would recommend you to play this game. This is not a sponsored video, I just want to help you guys. And this game is amazing, and I guess you can play it with your friends. You can just download this game equal at the same time, and you can just play this game with your friend and you can compete with him. So this is a amazing game, you can say. And it is different than other games you play. It's not a car game, it is not a fighting game, not a board game. It is a real time type of game. So you can just collect your dreams in a faster way of YouTube with playing this game, and you get a nice content like what I am doing right now. So I think that was it for this video. Otherwise there is nothing. I don't want to actually go online right now, otherwise I know I am going to get a bunch of ads, because I got some reviews of this game. So yes, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, have a nice day. And that was it for this video. Totally I have 18 videos. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye.